Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets, and today we are the the 5th of June 2025, and we're currently 9:31 a.m. That was the short that I was getting to, but it was a quick trade. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Okay. I shorted here right before the open. I was going short to call the bullshit on this call with she. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Here's the sell. Let's try and get a short below this low. If we get a short below this low, then I might hop in into the over here to come get back these lows. If the candle closes below. Good morning, Roger. This is the 9. It's apparently Trump having talks with Xi Jinping. Yeah, exactly. Right here, you see this 1 minute candles. The bodies didn't close below this low, but they did close above this high, and we didn't go below this low either. So that's interesting. Another close above these lows. Check it out on the 1 minute. On the, 15 minute. Interesting. That's a 15 minute. Yeah, I did, but I got stopped out. I wanted to get catch this drop before market open, but it took out these relative equal highs. I should have waited before it takes out these relative equal highs to get in the short over here, probably at the 50% of this move. Like from down here to up here, it's probably 50. It's okay. It was a little risk. I put the stops above here. I was using this bearish fair value gap. I saw it reacting nicely on it a couple of times, so I went short here, and then yeah, it went up. Yeah, you see the difference? No, it's just because no, it's not a different camera. It's so instead of using it's called the Windows Phone Link on Microsoft. Instead of using because I have instead of using a normal webcam, I use a Galaxy S22, Samsung, because I already had one, an extra one. So it, first off was the Microsoft Phone Link, and every morning I had a hard time connecting my camera to it. So now I just went to video.ninja, and it's like you stream through a browser. No, it just does it automatically like that. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to check. All right, so we have a break below this low, and that's the first presented fair value gap right here. If it closes like that. Oops, wrong color. Oh, yeah, me too. I like sells today. It's just that uh, took this low. Let's see what's gonna do with this. Um, it's gonna be an inversion. Hmm. Let's see if there's a continuation because these close below this. I mean, let's see what happens. Probably it was just a liquidation of these lows, and it's gonna reverse the whole thing. Yeah, it just created balance. God damn it. I'm ready to close it. I don't want it anymore. Good. I don't like how this fair value gap got disrespected completely on the first try and closed above and outside, so that's the only thing I don't like about this one. And this seems more like a liquidation of these lows because this down candle, the last candle, look at these lows. Instead of a lower low on the left than on the right, this is a lower low on the right than on the left, and usually that's when it does the reversals. So you see over here, let's see. So lower low on the left is better to come and liquidate and rejoin. Okay, that's interesting. Well, okay, straight through. And these lows right here have to be taken. Hmm. Good call, Roger. It did visit the low again. So close. So close. Mm. Let's see. So what? That was the liquidation? Let's see. Technically, stop should be above this. Let's see. Come on. Push, push, push. Last seconds. Has to push a little bit more. Yeah. I like this. Come on. More. A little bit more right here. A little bit more. Hmm. Yeah, it would be nice, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Has to really short now. Like a lot. It has to close over here about. That's not good. Okay. All the way down over here. Nope. I don't think so. This has to close below this half. Obliged. This has to close now down here. Okay, good, good, good. A little bit more. Go more, 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 more. There you go. Come on. This is nice. This is very nice. Oh, wow. Very nice. Continue. No, come on. Nope. Maybe this candle all the way back down over here. 1 hour candle closes below that low. This would be nice. Yeah, that would be really nice. 1 hour below this low would be really, really, really nice. Oh, there he goes. Go, go, go. Continue, continue. Come on. Go down. It's taking too much time. Let's go. Mm, come on. Sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. Yeah. Now take the lows of this candle. Go. That's right. Short and take the lows of this candle. Right here. Mmm. Nope. It does not want. Ay, ay, ay. No. It took these lows, but now it's going to come back for the highs. Watch. Every time. Not good. Come on, we need a short right here. Turn black. No. And there's a fair value gap over here too. Whoo, this is gonna fly. I'm still gonna keep my buy limit here, my buy stop. Short, short. No, no, no. Okay, so now it should do it. In the next 5 or 7 minutes, it should do it. I just want it to close below this. Use it as an inversion to propel further. Come on. 3 seconds. No, no, no. Okay. Short and stay within this. I think if we stay patient today, we might win. Because there's a lot of selling over here. People are liquidating their positions before NFP, right? Non-farm payrolls. Let's see if we could have a close of positions before NFP. I just don't like how it closed back above it. So used it as a fair value gap. This one closed outside of it. This one closed back above it. So it's not very good for sells right now. Unless if we keep on respecting this and we keep on shorting from here. But I don't think so. It's gonna go up. Yeah, like that. That's not good. If anything, it's a good place to be shorting right now because we took these relative equal highs, right? And we just left some on the bottom side. So we'll see what happens. But I want to see it close back below this candle. 12 seconds left. The most important seconds of the 1 minute candle. Yeah, exactly. That's what I want to see. Good, 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 good. So we just swooped, took those highs, almost made a full range candle, and now we're gonna probably maybe revisit the lows. I just want to see it get shorted right here. Yeah, like that. Yes, very bearish. Mm, I don't know, because yes took the lows, but NQ didn't take the lows, so that might be a message. That might be a message where NQ is gonna remain strong, or it might just continue crashing from here. But we will see. We'll see right here. I think it's gonna continue going. I don't know. It seems strong. NQ seems very strong. I don't think it's gonna crash from here. Because if you go check Dow and here, let me put on this screen. If you compare both charts, right? So all three charts, this low right here was taken on the ES. So over here, this low right here was taken on the ES and on the Dow. So we might or we might not, but we'll see. All I want is these lows to get taken. Should happen now. And if this closes black, I'm trailing my stop to above here. I'm still not feeling it. I have to see this last seconds close black, black. Okay, good. Good. Okay. So this is what I'm going to trail. I'm going to start trailing my stop right here. If it comes gets me, so like it's going to be fucking around with everybody. Like look at this. Should I put my stop break even? That's the question. Anyways, I just want to trail my stop. Come on. Last seconds of this candle. Short, short, short. Okay. Look. Up. Now we're out again. And it's going to continue shorting. I'm going to try and pick up my position just a little bit higher. Oh, actually, even here, you know what? I'll even put it right here. Now I'm being extra careful. That with a TP of right here. Oops. It just froze again. Let's reload. Hmm. The 1 hour closed below? Oh, no, it didn't. Look, the 1 hour did not close below. That's the only thing. And 15 minutes closing right now. Aye. Yeah, that was nice. I still want to see it come and take this high. Or else no trade today. It's okay. Because over here did a little swing point. Took these little relative equal lows. I want to see it come take this before coming down. Yeah, the 1 hour didn't close below, unfortunately. Right here. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Are you short? Hmm. There you go. It's gonna start. There you go. This is probably the start right here. The start of the fall. I wanted to come back and take this before coming to go get these bottoms. So look, now we're stuck between this. At this. This one's closed above this. Right there. No, they didn't close below this one. So now we're in this leg. Let's see. They're gapping up. One gap up, gap up, gap up. Maybe we might be starting to gain momentum to the upside. Let's see. Yesterday on PM session, I took the reversal. And twice moved. I put my B and then turned and went to the TP. Did it take you out BE or no? Oh, you went. It hit your TP. Oh shit. Yeah, that sucks. At the same time, let's take this high to this low. 70% would be here. 61.8. Hmm. And take this. This move down here. Retracement. Let's see this one where it goes to. Yeah, 70% is about where I put it. Okay, fractals, like fractals, yeah. So the swing points, basically. Almost. Opa. That was a big push. Big push up. Let's see if we could short this back down. I might even put this maybe a little bit higher above here. We'll see. Nice reaction. Nice reaction to that first presented fair value gap. And this order block too. Let's see if this one could close black. If this one could close black, it's gonna be interesting. Hmm. My stop loss might be too close. Hmm. I don't know. We'll see in the last 20 seconds of this candle. I wanted to see it close within this first presented fair value gap. If it doesn't, I'll just close the trade. It's a big move. Back up. It's just that, yeah. I think we're gonna get stopped out today. Yeah, for sure. 100%. Okay. $25 seconds left. Come on. Yeah. A close below this would be perfect. Come on. Ay. Yeah, no. Come on. Reverse this. Reverse this. No, I don't think it's gonna do it. I think it's gonna use this as another order block to send the price higher. Now, if you get back break even, I'll take it out, but I doubt it. You see how it's pushing in the last seconds of the candle? Above and out of this inversion on the 15-minute. Okay, this is going to be a loss. And right here. Let me see this. Okay, SMT, SMT, SMT. Okay, let's put this back. It's a maximum. I really want to see it come back down to over here at least. It's so close to my stop loss. Go, go, go. Do it. Twenty seconds. Don't do it. Go close below. Close below, close below, close below. Come on. 15 seconds. No, no, no. Close below. Ho, 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 ho. Okay. Oh, fuck. I want to take it off. I'm gonna take this. I don't care. I was offside. Yeah, to the lows. Just I was too much offside for the range that I had. What? Right into this fair value gap. Let's see how it reacts to this fair value gap. Yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly. It was too high for me. Look at that go. It's gonna go now. But I want to see how this candle reacts over here. You see? Let's see your new theory. Wait, first let's check the SMT. Yes, went above these highs. 5 minutes. If I took the low and closed inside the price. I see. So if the on the higher time frames, you're telling me if you take the low and the high hasn't been taken, you're going to go and take the highs? You'd have to make an example and show me. Take a video and send it to Trading Capital Markets Instagram page. Oppa, oppa. There's the break. Market's moving very fast right now. Look how quick the market's moving. This is dangerous territory. Look at that. What's the low on this candle? Oh 04. Oh, it didn't even pass below this. So you see this took these stops. Oh my god, took these stops. Now it's making its way back up. There's this fair value gap left. Oh, you see how quick the market is moving? Nah, something's happening. Something is happening. Let me go check on the news. Japan continues to push for a full US tariff reprieve. That's not now. 10:37. Bon, the US should remove negative measures on China. Xi Jinping just said that right now. There it goes. You see, that's why I didn't keep my short. So remember this, okay? Remember this. When the market breaks the structure, you see over here, we broke the structure and went above. When there's fast moves to the downside, normally it's to liquidate long positions, but still continue in the same direction. Okay? So you see fast moves down like this is to take stop orders and then accumulate to continue in the same direction of the trade. We just took those highs. For me, I'm not trading anymore today, to be honest, because I was not, it's just messing around a little bit. On my first short over here, I should have kept the short on the first presented fair value gap. I didn't do it. It went to the targets, and after that it started ranging, chopping, becoming jagged at the bottom, and then it started re-expanding to the upside. So look at that for all the trend line traders. Okay, reaccumulating. This is big moves in 3 minutes. 100-point move in 3 minutes. Let me see. Like it's coming back down a little bit. Wow, there it goes. So that should be a comment. You see like this candle right here? Interesting. Whoa. Big moves. Look at that. Wee. What's gold doing? Gold relatively flat. It's actually flat. So we came back to attack that. You know what? It seems like it wants to fly. Alright. So the last Nasdaq 1 hour. Look, that is crazy. Let's see. Nasdaq 1 hour. Yeah. Didn't take the low. Took the high. Crazy. No candle close above 930 high. Okay, yeah, this is gonna fly. We're coming to get these highs right here. Okay, so this is what you mean. Possibly a buy on this breaker right here. So the last up candle before taking the lows is this one. It's a breaker and a first presented fair value gap at the same time. So this I'm gonna keep it. It's gonna remain. This trade is gonna remain valid unless these highs get taken off first. Let's see what we could do. What I don't like is that this buy side is not getting closed above. Hmm. Bellman, I'll come back on my breaker. Hmm. It should pick that low first. Like this low right here? That's what you would like to see picked before? No? Okay. Uh, this over here. Yeah, but then, yeah. Mm. Last 15 seconds of this candle. I think it has a chance of coming to get us right here. Entering this order block. Left two relative equal lows on this fair value gap over here. Probably gonna start getting shorted around here. Let's see if we can use that inversion as a place to short. Oh, I changed my camera angle. I didn't even notice. That's too funny. Very nice. Yep, 1 hour closes in 3 minutes. There's a fair value gap. And is it on top here? Yeah, it's on top there. That's a big candle on the 1 hour. All right. Yeah. Uh, 2 minutes left for that hourly. Give me a second. I'm just gonna go. Uh, it was starting to get too hot. I had to open all the windows. Let's see. This cam order rooftop. Could be nice. A little dip back below over here into this order block and then another rip above. It's crazy. think I'm gonna start trading at 2 in the morning. It's like if all the good trades are at 2 in the morning. Here, another one. 2 in the morning it starts. All the way until 5. You're lucky, Roger. You could trade the London Open. I can't. It's too early. Should be demo trading the New York instead. Because New York these days is being very hard. Yeah, yeah. Mm-mm. Very messy. Like, look at this. What is this? What is this? Hmm. I'll go check them out. Alright, here's a drop. Let's see where we can get with this. Oh, right now it's 30 degrees in Canada. 30 Celsius. Ciao, Roger. Have a good day. Everybody, thank you for watching the stream. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. Peace.